Hello and welcome back to another takeoff and landing challenge. This time we are at Jizah Airport in Cairo, HEAJ. Our challenge is to take off in this Cessna 152 Don without crashing, do a loop round to the left and land again on this airport. You can be a long loop or a short loop, whatever you want. So my advice is I'd take the whole of the runway, so I'm going to turn around and go to the arse end of the runway.
Can I take off sideways, because there's a bit of a hill there and it's just as long?
Nope.
And
you can't go on the grass.
And for everyone wondering, trying to find this, it's HEAJ, not HEAG.
HEAJ, yeah, sorry. Right.
Just in case you'll look.
Well, I'm at the arse end of the runway now.
Oh, hang on, I'm gonna try and turn around.
And as always, I'm going to do one in the cockpit and out the cockpit.
If I take off sideways, widthways, that's I might stand a chance. But
right. As you move to the runway, I'm taking off.
I'm going to watch it crash. That's fantastic. I'll take
full beads, handbrake off.
You can't see I'm crashing already.
Look at that. Oh my god. Oh, stall alarm, but he's airborne.
I can't go. I'm really
Why?
on the grass. I don't. The engine doesn't want to work on the grass. Right.
Alright. I've took off. I'm hanging in the left.
I'll just turn the engine off.
Why did you do that?
I pressed the wrong button, James. Right.
Are you restarting?
No. Oh. Things have gone.
Okay, well I'm now going into the downwind, and then I'm going to do the final. Why are you suddenly 16,000 feet up?
I don't know if my engine's off.
Don, I think you should restart, mate.
Nope. I'm salvaging this.
Well, his takeoff is a failure, clearly.
No, I'm salvaging it.
Oh, there's the airport in question. Just going to do a long down. We're going to go around those buildings.
Oh.
Roger, Cessna, X-ray Golf Sierra.
What the hell are you doing? You're not even listening to the instructions.
I'm not salvaging it.
He's supposed to do a left-hand loop.
Shut up.
Oh, okay. I'm going to turn again. I can start powering down.
Oh. I landed it.
First stage of. I can put the first stage of flaps in. There's the runway.
I landed it.
So Don, you've already found the landing challenger. Second stage of flaps. Third stage of flaps.
I didn't even manage to do that. Right. I'm gonna have to yeah. I'll watch you, and then I might have to actually restart. Because some things happened that was well out of my control. When I say out of my control, I mean...
Why are you there?
No, it's something else, James. You know the score. It's something else. I watched you land.
And oh yeah, I'm about 6 feet off the end of the runway.
Shocking.
Right,
I'm going to restart.
I shall don't restart.
Rejoin.
I'm going to drive. Well, I'm going to cut this bit out anyway. Just right. We're here for the second challenge. Don has restarted, and he's going to try again. I'm going to do it cockpit only.
I'm going to try again. Right, I'm turning around.
Alright, so I'm lined up on the centre line-ish, handbrake on, cockpit only,
Low down.
hit the space bar so I can see better. This time I'm going to put the full flaps to take off. There on, full flaps are on, ball beans.
You know what, fuck it, I'll take off.
And letting go in the hacker brake. Here we go. Get to the end of the runway. Get to the end of the runway. And take off.
Okay, so for some
What was
reason,
that? I think I've cut the trees down.
my engine doesn't want to work.
What are you doing to it? Oh, copy that.
Alright. Where's the throttle?
Right, so we're
I'm
up
pushing
in
my
here.
throttle in and it just comes straight back out.
What does?
My throttle. Okay, it
I
doesn't
don't-
like... I'll tell you what it is, it's because I'm sort of widthwise. Because as soon as I manage to get... Oh god, I'm also cutting the trees down.
You taking off, Don?
If you mean landing in the parking lot next door.
Oh no, it's cockpit only, James. Stop that. Right, that's two things cockpit only. Right, see.
Oh mate, I'm going to take off on it, it's a lot longer.
That's not the challenge, you donut.
I see your challenge and I no, there's a car. The car just rushed.
Alright. So, we're going back round these buildings again. I buttered
Right.
the bread.
I definitely took off.
And the first one, I don't believe you.
Well, I
52
don't
miles south
need you to
Hotel
believe me,
Echo
James.
Alpha
Just
Juliet
Well, I'm going to see the footage anyway, so.
no, you're not.
So, there we go in.
Bet I can lap.
No bouncing. If you bounce, you're disqualified.
There'll be no bouncing.
Right, I'm now doing the final. Oh shit, I'm miles away. Quick. I'm going to put all the stages of flaps in.
Oh yeah,
Cairo
flaps.
approach
Oh dear,
Cessna Alpha
I'm on a
Where's the
Sierra
runway?
terrible,
Sierra.
I'm on a terrible angle. Fly around buildings.
I can't even see the runway, so you're alright.
And there's, oh shit, you come this way, hard left and then hard right.
Oh, I see it. Yeah, what like on this road?
All the power out. Should put some power back in. Right, we're on final, we're on the short final. Let down power. Power's completely off. So we glide it in over this building. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, baby.
If I want to stall, I'm going to stall, mate. Stop beeping.
Oh, yeah. Park and brake on. And as you can see, I have successfully stopped before the end of the runway.
Yeah, I've landed as well. I'm in some guy's front door.
Oh yeah, as I can see, Poison Dwarf in the
that's-
distance.
No, I had
No.
no, it was a Deliveroo, Uber Eats thing. I had to deliver a kebab to this bloke.
I don't know why, but my engine sounds like a jet engine. So there we have it. 2 successful attempts of landing by James, and Don is.
Don's doing his job and delivering the Uber Eats to a bloke. So, you know, say what you like. This bloke's got his kebab, he's happy. I'll give him buttered bread.